same generators. And just
These are the generators that produce the power with the water that comes through.
The line of maintenance is.
If the light is on, it is
If you
working.
look to the ends of those cranes, you'll notice the black rail upon which they move